Good morning, student. Today we will start our syllabus from paper second, unit first, that is cell biology. From this cell biology, first topic is ultrastructure and function of mitochondria. So here we are going to study about ultrastructure and function of mitochondria. We know that from 11th science we have studied structure of cell, different cell organelles. So we also studied mitochondria, and um, from this level we have studied the simple structure of mitochondria. Now we are going to study about ultrastructure of mitochondria and its function also. So we'll start on this topic. Then, an introduction, I would like to say that mitochondria is double membrane bound organelles found in cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell. You know, mitochondria is double membrane cell organelles and it's found only in eukaryotic cell. You know that the difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell, and membrane bound cell organelles are present only in eukaryotic cell. So mitochondria is present only in eukaryotic cell. The meaning of mitochondria is mito means thread, and chondrion means granule like structure. It is thread like thread and granule like structure. Mitochondria is thread and granule like structure, and it first detected in the striated muscle fiber by Kolliker in 1850. The term mitochondria was coined by Carl Benda in 1898. Then, after this, Palladay and Jostrand in 1940 and 1950 published their paper on electron microscopic structure of mitochondria. Then, mitochondria is frequently called as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria, because this mitochondria are responsible for the conversion of nutrient into energy yielding molecule ATP to fuel the cell's activity. The function known as aerobic respiration is the reason mitochondria are frequently referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. Simply, we can say that mitochondria produce ATP, and ATP are energy molecule. It produce energy. Mitochondria produce energy, and its energy is useful for cell's activity. So mitochondria is called as powerhouse of the cell. Next, location of mitochondria. Here we can see the location of mitochondria. Mitochondria just present near the plasma membrane in this both cell, animal cell and plant cell. Then next is morphology of mitochondria. And morphology of mitochondria, we can say that size of mitochondria is 0.05 to 1 micrometer, and diameter length is 1 to 10 micrometer. Long shape of mitochondria is bean shape. It is elongated and thread like. Number of mitochondria depend on type, size and functional state of cell. Then, for example, an average liver cell contain around 1500 mitochondria. This is morphology, and here we can see structure of mitochondria. In this diagram we can see outer membrane which is smooth, and inner membrane which is folded, variously folded, and inner to this inner membrane there presence of matrix, and matrix we can see there presence of DNA, ribosome, then different molecules that will see describe the structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria having outer membrane, then inner membrane, and between outer membrane and inner membrane, inter membrane space is present. There also presence of cristae, then matrix. The outer and inner membrane is composed of phospholipid bilayer and protein. The two membranes have different property. It is made up of that both membrane are made up of phospholipids. The outer membrane, simple phospholipids are present in outer membrane. It encloses the mitochondria, contain large number of integral protein, that is called as purines, which allow molecule to freely diffuse from one side of the membrane to other side. ions, nutrient, molecules, ATP, ADP, etc. can pass through the outer membrane with S. The outer mitochondrial membrane is composed of about 50% phospholipids by weight and contain a variety of enzymes. This is about outer membrane. Then next is intermembrane space. Inner to outer membrane, there space is present in between outer membrane and inner membrane. That is also called as perimitochondrial space, the space between inner membrane and outer membrane. It has high proton concentration. The space between inner and outer membrane is approximately 70 angstrom unit. Because the outer membrane is freely permeable to small molecules, the concentration of small molecules such as iron, sugars in the intermembrane space is same as that of cytosol. Then protein present participated in ATP synthesis, but when released into the cytoplasm triggers. This is the intermembrane space. It is also called as perimitochondrial space. Here we can see the space between two membranes. This is outer membrane and inner membrane, and in this two membrane there presence of space. This is called as perimitochondrial space or intermembrane space. The next is inner membrane. Inner membrane is freely permeable only to oxygen, carbon dioxide, and H2O. Inner mitochondrial membrane contains proteins that perform redox reaction and oxidative phosphorylation, then ATP synthase and transport protein import machinery, mitochondria fusion and fission, and protein synthesis also. Several antipode systems exist allowing exchange of anion between cytosol and the mitochondria. This is about inner membrane, and this inner membrane is variously folded inside the matrix, that is called as cristae. Cristae are folds of inner membrane, that is mitochondrial membrane, which expand its surface area, enhancing the ability to produce ATP. Here we can see that inner membrane is variously folded. It's having finger-like projection inside the matrix, and this finger-like projection or this variously folded structure is called as cristae. And on this cristae, there presence of stalk particle or inner membrane spheres. Cristae covered with this inner membrane spheres called as stalk particle or knobs or heads. These are also called as F1 particle. Here we can see this F1 particle which are present on cristae. And then um, matrix. Inner to this inner membrane, there presence of matrix. It is the space enclosed by inner membrane. It is gel-like consistency, dense, homogeneous, contain two-third part of total protein of mitochondria. Matrix have enzyme, DNA genome, ribosome, tRNA, granules, fibrils, and tubules. The matrix is important in the production of ATP with the aid of ATP synthase contained in the inner membrane. The major enzymes include enzyme involved in synthesis of nucleic acid and proteins and fatty acid oxidation also. Then unique feature of mitochondria. Mitochondria are unique in their own way, containing their own circular DNA and their own ribosome. The DNA in the cell nucleus does not code for the construction of mitochondria. So this cDNA, that is mitochondrial DNA as present and circular DNA as present in mitochondria. Then function of mitochondria: energy transducer of the cell, synthesis of ATP. Then this mitochondria is energy transducer of the cell, which involve in synthesis of ATP. Mitochondria playing important role in Krebs cycle and matrix. Also Krebs cycle takes place in matrix of mitochondria, ATC system, electron transport cycle system as carried out in mitochondria, then phosphorylating system ATPase, extra mitochondrial inheritance, then mitochondrial DNA contain plasma gene, that is extra chromosomal gene transmitted from mother to the offspring. Synthesis of mitochondrial DNA, RNA, protein brings about gene expression through gene duplication, transcription, translation. That mitochondria can synthesize 13 different polypeptide in human. Site of several metabolic reaction. In mitochondria, that takes place different metabolic reaction and outer membrane oxidation of epinephrine, degradation of tryptophan, elongation of fatty acid, inner membrane involved in oxidative phosphorylation, and matrix that takes place Krebs cycle, beta oxidation, detoxification of ammonia in urea cycle, storage of calcium ions. Then other function of mitochondria, production of heat, that is non-shivering thermogenesis. This non-shivering thermogenesis, the unharnessed potential energy of proton electrochemical gradient produced during ETC is released as heat. So mitochondria playing important role in production of heat, role in apoptosis, that programs cell death, then synthesis of estrogen and testosterone, role in neurotransmitter metabolism, role on cholesterol metabolism. In this way, we have seen the structure and function of mitochondria. Thank you.